Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Filtration, reabsorption and excretion. So filtration, reabsorption and excretion of different substances by the kidneys. So we begin with the glucose. So glucose amount filtered will be 180. The amount reabsorbed will be again 180. The amount excreted so will be the net of 0, and the percentage of filtered load dose is 100%. Next is we move on to bicarbonates. So this is milliequivalents per day. The amount filtered will be 4320 and the amount reabsorbed will be 4318. So the amount excreted here is 2. So the filtered load of reabsorption will be greater than 99.9. Then moving on to the sodium. The sodium is in milliequivalents per day and the amount filtered will be 25560. 25560 and the amount reabsorbed will be 25410. So the net excreted amount will be 150 and the filtered amount will be about 99.4%. Then we move on to chloride. Chloride is the amount filtered is 19440 and the amount reabsorbed is 19260. The amount excreted will be about 180. So the filtered load of reabsorption will be 99.1. Next is the potassium. So in case of potassium, the amount filtered will be 756 and the amount reabsorbed will be 664. So the amount excreted will be 92. So the percentage of filtered load reabsorbed will be about 87.8. Then comes the urea. Urea is in gram per day and the amount filtered will be 46.8 and the amount reabsorbed is 23.4. The amount excreted will be 23.4 and the percentage of the load reabsorbed will be about half, that is 50%. Lastly, moving on to the creatinine. So here the creatinine, the amount filtered will be 1.8 and the amount reabsorbed will be nil. So excreted is only 1.8. So the percentage of load reabsorbed will be 0%. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.